We're going to create an event. So you are in your main group page and you can just click on Start a New Post. You don't have to go to the Event tab, and it'll give you the option of what you want to do, and we want to start an event. And so it'll lead you through the process step by step. You can name your event here and describe it, first group, and then go on to the next step. You will choose the date, and it'll have a calendar that you can drop down, or you can just simply write the information in there. So we're going to choose this first date. We'll choose the time as well. Again, you could enter it yourself or just use the calendar it's provided. And also so that people know what the end time, your start time, and the end time for the event is. And since I made a mistake there, I'll just show you how you go back in and click on it and fix it and move on to the next step. In the invite guests, it automatically invites everyone who is already in the group. So you don't have to change any of these. Any of the other options actually singles people out. So you will, if you clicked on member only, it would only invite the people in your group who are members in your group itself. So you leave all of this unchecked, and everyone in the group will be invited. They will see this event in your Connect group. Then you move on to the location, where you would input your custom location. So if this is your home, then you would put in your information here, and then you'll be able to go on to the next one after you complete this. So you'll submit that information. It'll see that, it'll show a little map for them, and then you can move on to the next step. If you wanted to have someone bring plates for some reason, they could RSVP with that, so you'll need 10 plates. If you wanted to have someone sign up as a greeter, when they RSVP, they will actually assign themselves this role. So when you post this event, you'll see those options in the RSVP for people to sign up at. And once this posts, you'll see that. Also, if for some reason you had to stop, you can always save the draft, and then it'll show up in the reminders where you can go back to it. So now, as I go to RSVP for this event, I see the items needed. There are plates. There's also a need for a greeter. So as I RSVP, I can say that, yes, I'm going to fill that role. And or instead of filling the plates, I'm going to assign myself to greeter, and when I respond, now that role will no longer be needed because it's been filled by me, and you'll, as the leader of the group, know what still needs to be done, and then you could perhaps call people to help fill those roles. But that's it.